Now when I start leveling this off, I have to be mindful of different things. Where the metal is, I have to make sure it's going from there down at an angle a little bit, because remember, I want to put 2.5, 3 inches of decomposed granite in there where my landscaping drainage is. I can dig out some of the dirt around it on both sides. Now that I have it placed where I want it, I can push that dirt over. I can get the dirt that's been piled up underneath the bushes, kind of clean that out, because the decomposed granite is going to want to go right down in there. Just take your time and follow what you're doing along this curbing. I need to have the dirt down, you know, almost down to the bottom of that. So I've got to just keep moving this dirt around. When I get to rocks, I'll have to see where my low spots are, so I can put these rocks down in low spots. I can save some of the rocks. If I don't need all the rocks, I can put them in the backyard, on the side yard, whatever. If I see a low spot when I get done, I can kind of dig it out and put a few rocks in there if I want. There are all kinds of stuff you can do. I'm going to have to do a better job around this sprinkler, this thing here, clean up around there, spend some time in there, and go all around the pipes, all the way around the bushes, all the way around, keeping the lighting wire exposed for the time being until I figure out where the lights are. Once I put the lights in, of course, I'll dig the dirt down a little bit, get that kind of sunk down to a certain extent, so when my weed block goes down, it goes right over the dirt with the wire underneath. All that kind of stuff, you just have to be kind of mindful. So when I get all done, it's going to look way better, and it's going to look right. And that's all I can say about that.